Okay, hello and welcome. Hope you're well. My name's Andy and this is Training the Right Way. Now we're going to be talking about CapCut and an issue that I've found. Now I'm not sure if you found the same issue, but it is a major problem and I have emailed and not had any response yet, but hopefully they will fix this issue. It's to do with the project and the cover editor. So if you have a project and you want to design the thumbnail, now if you haven't got a thumbnail already, then you may find that there's an issue, a problemo. So I'm going to try and show you it, but if not, I've got a screenshot. So let me just try see what we've got here. So here is the screen. This is my project without a cover. So the cover editor over here. Now what you would normally do is click to edit. But because this project was new and doesn't exist, like normally what I would do is copy a project, and usually the project would have a cover already. It's, prior to the error that we have, that you cannot create a new project, because what happens is this: when you click on the cover editor, it will ask you for a particular, like if you want to use a screenshot or you want to use a local. So if you want to select it from the video, you can. For example, if I want to have that as my screenshot, now when I edit the cover, you'll see that nothing happens. It doesn't go into the cover editor. In actual fact, it is loaded. You can't see it. And also, if you try now to use CapCut, you'll get the boom error message, which is means that you cannot do anything with it. So, in order to sort this out, if you press the Windows key, you'll see that it brings up toolbar along the bottom, the taskbar. And if you hover over the CapCut icon, you'll see that there are two windows. The normal CapCut window that we're in now, and the cover editor. So it appears that the cover editor is hidden behind the other one. And there's no, now you might be saying to yourself, well, just switch windows. Just switch windows. Well, I wish you could. Now, if you press the Windows key and tab, you'll see that we can select the window. Obviously, it's not showing the right window, I don't think. I don't know what window it's showing. But the window that we have, the cover designer here, if we click on it, nothing happens. It doesn't come to the front. Let's try that again. Now, can you right click on it? You can. Let's move that. We can move it to a new desktop. Show windows from this app. Or we can do snap right, snap left. Show this window on all desktops. Okay. So I don't know what's going on there. If I click on it, nothing happens. And it certainly doesn't appear on any of my desktops. So the only way around this, because I can't do anything with this now, you actually have to physically X out of it in order to continue doing this. Now, that is for, obviously for projects that don't have a cover editor, cover. If we go back to our menu, and what we'll do is we'll load one that already has a cover. So we'll go into this one. So we load this. Now what you'll see is, I've no idea what that message means. I get a lot of these messages now. I don't know what's going on with CapCut. But you can see that we've got the cover editor there. If we click on it, it loads. Well, slowly, but it loads. Just don't know what's up with it lately. This last few days. It did load anyway. I don't know, it's going to take a long time. It did actually load, maybe because I'm recording as well. But we do have there is a major problem with this. Let's try cancelling it. Go back out. Going back in again, see if it loads this time. It did load. Oh, there we are. We're here. That's it. There we go. Boom. So we're now into the cover editor. And as you can see, I've been using the AI design for AI. It's quite good. I mean, I'm quite impressed with the AI. It does a pretty good job. Sometimes it's pretty shit because it doesn't do what you tell it to do. But yeah, I mean, and also very weirdly, because I copy my projects, I don't make a new project, I copy projects, it does actually remember previous designs. Well, it's good or bad, I don't know. But what it does do, it does reset the counter as well, so you do get the same amount, even though you've done it before with another project. So you can see that works really well. And so you just go back, we'll cancel it because I don't want to save it. But this is because this project already had a cover. And all I do is I just use the base and copy it, rename it, and then load it. So I don't know what's going on with this. We are currently on, have a look. We are currently on 8.40 and I don't think there are any updates. Let's have a look, see if there is. No, we're on the latest version. So 8.40. So I'm sorry to say, but CapCut has, yeah, it's broken. Now, because I don't make new projects very often, I don't know how long it's been broken. Could have been broken for a long time. But basically, the first time, 2 days ago, when I was trying to make a project, I've got several that I've tried to create from scratch, and they all don't work. And I have reported it to CapCut, but whether they'll do anything quickly, I don't know. They tend to give you the brush off. They tend to say, "Oh well, you know, thank you for your, you know, your concern, blah blah blah. Have you thought about restarting your computer?" As if that's going to work. But never mind. Anyway, so if you've had the same problem, then let me know. I'll be very interested to hear. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.